Today, you're gonna learn in just 2 minutes how to make Keto Rum Balls. These are packed with the perfect fusion of rich flavors, velvety texture, and a hint of liquory goodness that you guys simply won't be able to resist. With less than a single carb each, these little bites of bliss are a guilt-free dessert that's guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth cravings. Whether you're entertaining guests or just wanting to snack on something sweet, these Keto Rum Balls are the perfect treat. Let's start by whisking together the cocoa powder, sweetener, almond flour, and desiccated coconut in a bowl. Stir it well to create a delicious blend. Now it's time to add the star ingredients. Add in the rum to infuse your treats with a luscious liquory note. Then add the melted coconut oil to give it a silky smoothness that'll make your Keto Rum Balls so soft and packed with exciting flavors that you won't be able to believe it. Patiently and carefully, make 8 round balls of equal size and weight. Then roll each one in a generous layer of desiccated coconut. If you don't have this specific type of coconut, you can shred it as well, just in case you need a fast replacement. Now that they're done, refrigerate these heavenly bites for at least 30 minutes before serving them up. Oh my, isn't this something to die for?
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.